Welcome, Namaste, welcome in. I, Suganya, on behalf of our Stahl, would like to welcome you all to this exclusive launch event. I'm extremely thrilled to be hosting you all at our first ever virtual product launch event. Before we begin, just a few points to note. Please make sure you're using Google Chrome or Firefox as your browser and switch to full screen mode, and don't forget to put on your headsets for a great viewing experience. We've put together quite an engaging agenda for all of you. We hope you really enjoy this event. As we all settle in, gear up to witness yet another breakthrough product from the global leader in explosion protection and safety technology. Now, let's get started, shall we? Come, count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
You are brave hearts. Perform the incredible every day. For you, risks are part of your workspace. Your work is hazardous and filled with tension. Danger lurks in every corner. A tiny spark, an explosion, and precious lives, investments, production home, everything ruined in mere seconds. That is why safety is your top priority. And of our best engineering minds who carefully develop and engineer solutions for your every application and deliver them quickly and efficiently. Our products embody the finest technology and craftsmanship. Because we believe your first choice has to be right. There's no room for second chances. With our Stahl, you enjoy peace of mind, both for your people and property. Now, prepare yourself for our latest breakthrough, designed to change your perceptions forever. We are our Stahl, the strongest link.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. Thomas Wittek, Managing Director, Ashtal India, for his welcome address.
Thank you, Sugenya. Hello, everyone. Hope you and your family members are safe and healthy. A very warm welcome to all our customers and partners around the globe. I'm so delighted to have you with us today. As a global leader in the AX industry with over 145 years of experience, we are committed to provide our customers with the best-in-class products and services. When it comes to innovation, we are always a step ahead. We were the first one to introduce many solutions that revolutionized the EX industry. To name a few, we launched the world's first multiplex field bus system in 1987, the very first remote I/O system in 1988, and recently X-Pressure, an EXD enclosure. At Ashtal, innovation is in our DNA. Ashtal India, headquartered in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, boasts a state-of-the-art production facility located in a well-connected industry zone that helps in serving our customers better and more efficiently. Spread across 4 acres, our headquarters is equipped with an in-house R&D center. With over 300 employees across the country, we are a team made of the best engineering brains. We are the only global player who can deliver the entire product range right from the Indian production facility, be it a lighting, a switchgear, or automation solution. As we all know, COVID has caused quite many disruptions globally. But I must say, in spite of COVID restrictions and lockdowns, we were able to keep our promises to our customers because your safety is on top of our agenda. always. Now we have planned quite an interesting event for you today. So sit back and enjoy the show.
Thank you, Thomas. Now I would like to invite Dr. Christoph Chevalier, Vice President, Business Unit Lighting and Signaling, who will be joining us live from our global headquarters in Germany.
Hi, I'm Christoph Chevalier, Head of Business Unit Lighting at Stahl. It's a great opportunity to have the chance to communicate directly with you today because this is a very special day. Why is it so important? The first thing is Stahl is a global leader in addressing EX applications, which includes lighting and signaling. Everybody in every industrial installation needs light, and lighting should not be underestimated. It plays a major role. Light is absolutely necessary for every human activity because 80% of external information captured by anyone, anywhere in the world, in any kind of job, come from the eyes. Proper lighting is crucial during night shifts for safety and working efficiently. Good lighting is required to see things as they are, using the natural capacity of the human eye instead of requiring the brain interpreting the scene. With an adapted illumination, you avoid fatigue, work is done faster and with more precision. That's why Stahl has been passionately engaged into developing lighting solutions for EX areas for decades already. Stahl has been a global leader in many fields, always offering best-in-class products for solutions. For example, emergency lighting is a category where we cannot accept any compromise. Safety is at stake in such a case. There must be light on the escape routes from the first split second. System reliability is a key word here. As a technological pioneer, Stahl has been very early offering all the benefits of LED light sources for linear luminaires. Beyond that, we've always been very carefully and respectfully listening to customers and proposing practical solutions for an easy installation, controlled maintenance, as well as optimized quality-price ratio for each case. That's how the 6002 linear has become the worldwide reference in the market. This permanent combination of R&D activity and field knowledge has led to many innovations and constant product upgrades. The latest one was the new Floyd Light 6125, introduced on the market just a couple of months ago. This is not going to stop here. We are willing to always better serve you with quality, perfection, performance at the best possible cost. That's the reason why we are here together today to unveil a new product family especially designed to fulfill the requirement of the Asia Pacific, including India, Middle East and African markets. It's going to be a game changer in the market. As you as excited as I am, without any further delay, let's get started.
Thank you, Christoph, for giving us a detailed insight into the lighting portfolio. Okay, here we are, the most important moment we all have been waiting for. It's time to see what we have created. It's time to launch our new breakthrough product. For the unveiling of this product, may I now invite Mr. Thomas Wittek. I would also like to invite Mr. Arunachalam Kadiresan, Vice President, Marketing and Innovation, to join me on the set.
Thanks, Suganya. I'm glad to be part of this product launch, which is a proof of uncompromising dedication from the entire India team.
Yes, you are right, Arun. What we are going to launch today is not just another product, it's a lighting solution that we have designed purely for you, our customers. Therefore, I think we should launch it along with all our customers online. What do you say, Suganya?
Absolutely. What's better way than to launch a product along with the people that it is made for? Everyone, are you ready to launch this product along with us? Do you see a launch button on your screen? If you don't see it, please exit from full screen mode and check. Are you ready? Now, on my mark, go ahead and press that launch button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Pendant light fitting LED series 6057 and 6457. The spark of innovation from Stahl.
That was an amazing launch, isn't it? I'm so excited by looking at the customers and partners who have joined us from all over the world. Thank you all for spending your valuable time with us. Today, I'm so thrilled to take you through the journey of the design and development of 6057. First of all, let me talk about the enclosure design. Around 22 designs have been scrapped before finalizing on this one. This is a very unique design that does not exist in the market today. Here, we have aesthetically designed a compartment for both terminal and driver as one, and have another dedicated compartment for the LED. This intelligent design also features innovatively designed fins that enables effective heat dissipation between these two compartments, which is very crucial for enhancing the life of a LED product. The main cover provides ease of access to the terminal and the driver. With our 6057 pendant light, you can easily access all the internal components without disturbing the mounting installation or field cabling. Of course, this is a basic design guideline for all our Stahl products. This makes it very easy for any kind of maintenance in the site. In order to protect our innovative design, we have applied and got patent in India. Another interesting aspect is placement of internal components and its orientation. Our designers take calculated decisions based on the outcome of CFD simulation, and this software tool helps to avoid the thermal impact on the components. With our state-of-the-art R&D laboratory, we were able to perform highly sophisticated internal lab tests on the products, and it's no surprise that all the internal validations we did in our in-house lab was later on exactly matching with the third-party EX lab reports. This evidently shows that we work with highly precise world-class testing and measuring equipments. With respect to the certification, it is the first time for Stahl India. We had initiated a collaboration between Indian lab and German lab to get both Indian BIS with PESO and ISEX certification, where the complete testing has been done in the Indian lab, and then the reports were just shared to the German lab for issue of ISEX certification. By doing so, we have saved certification lead time by avoiding the repetition of tests, since we follow the latest global EX norms. In spite of the pandemic, we have restrictions in terms of materials, movements and resources. Our R&D and cross-functional teams worked together round the clock to ensure that we were able to bring this product to you on time. At this juncture, I would like to thank our vendors and customers for their contributions on DFM support and the product feedbacks respectively during this development. We have invested quite a lot of time in researching, developing and product testing to make sure that this product serves as a perfect solution by fulfilling all your needs, because this is surely not just another pendant light for the EX industry, as it has a lot of unique features in the product. To sum it up, we have designed this entire product keeping in mind about your comfort and safety. This is yet another proof that Stahl always put you, our customers, in the center of everything we do. Thank you very much. Over to you, Suganya.
Thank you, Arunachalam, for these highly valuable pointers. Now, let's break the monotony of this event a bit. I would request everyone to join me for a small quiz round. Let's test your EX knowledge a little bit. The question that you see on your screen is, what is the full form of IP, a very important aspect used in the EX industry? And your options are option A, Internet Protocol, option B, Ingress Protection, option C, Intellectual Property, and option D, Increased Productivity. Okay, to type in your answers, please exit from the full screen mode and type in your answers in the chat window that you see below. Okay, you have 20 seconds to answer this question. Are you ready? Go ahead and take your guess. Okay, we can see more and more people answering. Yes, come on. We have so many people online with us here today, and we want everyone to take a guess. Go ahead, guess it. It's a very simple acronym we all use in our day-to-day life, especially in the EX industry. Have you got it right? Okay, I can see more and more people. Yes, we need more answers. Yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, I think we're getting more answers. Perfect. Now, do you want to see what's the right answer? Are you all excited and interested? Now, let's see what's the right answer. And the right answer is option B, Ingress Protection. Wow, we can see most of you have got it right. That's a wonderful participation from you. Now, the next question is, what is the color temperature of daylight? And you have the options right in front of you. Option A, 2700 Kelvin. Option B, 4000 Kelvin. Option C, 6500 Kelvin. Option D, 8000 Kelvin. Right. While you're answering or while you're guessing the answers, please let us know how's your experience with the event so far. Go ahead and press the virtual cheer icon which is on your screen, bottom right corner. Let us know if you're enjoying this show. Your cheers would mean a world to us. Okay? We are able to get more answers. We can see more and more people guessing it right. Okay, yes. Yeah, no, you can't Google it. I know it's a very easy question, but with a lot of confusing answers. Yes? Let's see who gets it right. I mean, how many people get it right? Now let's see what's the right answer, shall we? And the right answer is option C, 6500 Kelvin. Wow, most of you got it right. Absolutely right. Indeed, that was a quick response from the audience. Thank you everyone for your active participation. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Meltis Benny Rajan, Product Manager, to highlight the key features of 6057. Over to you, Meltis.
Hi everyone. We have specially designed this product keeping all your expectations as our top priority. So with this product, we have completed our product offering. We have 4 different wattages, 25 watt, 45 watt, 65 watt and 80 watt. With a very high lumen output along with a high performance light source which gives you an optimal distribution. In terms of design, we have designed a unique design which is patented in the Indian market. And also for the Indian market, we have separate variants. 6057 is certified for IECX and PESO for Indian market. This is suitable for application in Zone 1, 2, 21 and 22. The copper-free aluminum enclosure has an IP66 and IP67 ingress protection along with an impact strength of IK10. This product is certified for flame-proof EXD protections with a luminous efficacy of 113 lumen per watt, and it is suitable for C5M harsh environment due to its powder coating and has an ambient of -20 degree to +60 degree Celsius. Other salient features are electromagnetic compatibility, under and over voltage protections along with a thermal cutoff. This product has a very wide voltage range with a facility of loop-in and loop-out connection. In terms of color science, with respect to service life, This product has a service life of greater than 50,000 hours at 50 degrees Celsius, color rendering index greater than 80%, and a color temperature of 5700 as standard, and on request we are also providing 5000 K and 6500 Kelvin. We have very different mounting options, starting from ring bolt for pendant mounting, then we have wall mounting and ceiling mounting options, along with the pole mounting for both vertical as well as horizontal mounting. And also this product is certified for vibration proof for the industrial standards. Target geographies are Asia Pacific, Middle East, Africa, India, South America and Australia. Our target customers are oil and gas refineries, upstream, pharma, chemical, food and beverage. Refineries are dangerous environment and safety is paramount. The luminaires are designed for long lifetime, better efficacy, better light distribution, and to make hazardous area less dangerous and safe. Low weight will ease the installation process even further. Due to the housing option of C5M coating, the luminaire is also well suited for this market. Even at the harshest condition, the luminaire is resistant against corrosion. In pharma industry, unexpected maintenance action will cost a fortune. The LED technology will provide highest reliability and low maintenance to the cost of the operator. Low weight will ease the installation process even further. For food and beverage industries, LED pendant offer better illumination and longer life. Luminaire is perfectly suited for warehouses. Our customers, let's say contractors, EPC, distributors, end users, engineers and consultants, each and everyone has their benefits. In terms like ease of installation, product availability, lighting design with IES file, multiple mounting options, unique design, longer life, minimal maintenance, better light output, product availability and technical support. We sell light, not the luminaires. In terms of value proposition, this product offers high performance at a very competitive price. A fully loaded luminaire for all your EX lighting needs. To help you make an informed decision, we have created a wide variety of documents and collaterals. Catalog sheet with the detailed technical data, IES file for lighting design, product brochures with all key features, sales presentation, product video which highlights the customer benefits and various social media assets. With this, I am sure this product will make a big impact in the market.
Thank you, Meltis. That was a very detailed presentation. Now, how about we hear it from key Stahl experts across the globe? And I'm sure you would guess the suspense right. What do you say we have a virtual panel discussion with them to see their point of view?
Sure, indeed a pleasure to join. Let's meet at the studio for the panel discussion.
Let me now introduce our panelists. Ramakrishnan Balasubramanian, York Fitzek, Darren Bruce, and Kim Chong. Meltis, the floor is all yours now.
Hello everyone, welcome to the panel discussion. I am excited to have you all here. Let me start with Kim. Kim, in all our discussions, we always spoke about how we badly miss a product like this, which is very price competitive, a kind of missing piece in a puzzle. Finally, we have this product. How do you feel now?
Well, it's definitely a long-awaited product to complete our lighting portfolio, especially for our customers in Asia Pacific region. We can't really wait to share this good news with all our customers. And we are very impressed with the product development, as it is not just about the competitive pricing. The product features, the specification itself basically exceed our standard markets requirements. We ensure our customers will be having good quality, reliable, and variable products from Stahl.
Thank you, Kim. Nice to hear that. We have also developed very good sales support tools like product videos, one-pages, brochures, and so on. Would you like to touch upon the market, end users you are targeting with this product?
Definitely, we saw a lot of pendant requirements from Indonesia in the past, as they used to be like following NEC standards. So it's kind of like mixture of NEC and IEC standards in the country. Yeah. So definitely these products will be the right fit for this Indonesian market.
Thank you, Kim, for your insights. I'm sure this product will open up new avenues. Let me bring in someone sitting 10,000 kilometers away from you. Hello, Yok. We know there is a huge potential in African market. What's your first impression about this product?
Hello, Meldis. Yes, the African market is more or less like the Indian market as well. It's still quite strongly EXD dominated. And we have now a great product. We already quoted it for the biggest LNG project in the thousands and was very good for us. It's great for us to have now one of the best, or even the best, in my opinion, EXD equipment, which is not only designed for old housing, it's really designed as a LED. So, and we even have the 2C requirement, which is very often coming up here. So we already introduced it to 2 of our customers, which are running a lighting forum, and it's going really well there.
Exciting to know that you already have some feedback from the customers. Can you share that feedback with us?
Yes, we took them. We even had some samples from you. We managed to get some from your side already. And we took them to the customer, including the technical data sheet. And the customers were very much impressed about our light output and about the compactness of it. Even our biggest customer in Africa, he already created the SAP codes for his system. And I'm expecting actually this month the first order for their pilot project of 60 pieces of. So it's really a XD light fitting that is designed for LED. And I can even give you one of the funny stories. We had it on site with one guy who have it in his generator room. And he said, hey, this light fitting, it even looks like a camera. If that is up, nobody will steal my cables anymore. So even some funny stories behind it, but very, very impressive on our customer side.
The story makes a lot of sense. The unique design stands out in the market. Very eager to receive the first order. Let me ask Darren. Darren, Middle East always asks for special requirements due to its harsh environments like extreme temperature. What do you think of this product?
Well, first of all, Miltis, we are for sure, as you mentioned, one of the most challenging regions for harsh environment, extreme temperatures. I think the fact that we've developed this new 6057 pendant easily stands up to those challenges with its robust design and able to work at high efficiency in extreme ambient temperatures, as you would expect in the Middle East. This product, again, just emphasizes our drive to improve our product offering, especially from the factory in India, which is supporting the Middle East business in a big way. The investments that we're doing in R&D just within the Stahl group only continues to assist me with high performance products at competitive pricing. You know, as we continue to produce even better products to our portfolio, this not only helps to drive our growth plan in the Middle East, but also fits perfectly to our complete LED product offering. So we really are that lighting company now with the development of the products.
Thank you, Darren. We always see stiff competition in Middle East market. In your view, how this product will stay above the competition?
Well, as you're rightly stating, you know, right across the Middle East, which predominantly was an EXD market at one time, especially in the lighting field, it's interesting that we've now brought in a product that can compete because we do have stiff competition across the Middle East. Everywhere from Asia to Europe, the competition is very much out there. I think this is a great developing product that can, like I say, add to our portfolio. It will only make us stronger in that fight to win the business, you know. We are looking forward to, as I said, this is an important day for Stahl. The launch of this product today is the news that I suppose many of myself and many colleagues around the world have been waiting for. And I think now is the time to really show our strength within the market, and I'm sure our competition will also see this.
Darren, I'm sure this is going to be a game changer in Middle East market. Now, I'm happy to ask Ramakrishnan. We have a separate variant for cost-conscious Indian market with peso certificate. I'm sure this product will have an impact in India. What's your view?
Absolutely, Malthus. You are right. See, as you know, Indian economy is growing as the biggest one, and we are targeting to be a $5 trillion economy in the next 10 years. So there is a lot of ample growth for industries, particularly oil and gas, pharma, chemical industries in our home country, and predominantly driven by the demand in India, as well as if you take the pharma industry, there are a lot of requirements are coming up from the international community. So with this product, with the local certifications, we are confident that we can get really good business from our customers, and in turns we can offer international superior product with highly reliable product to our customers, which in turn helps our customers to reduce their capital expenditure as well as their maintenance costs.
Thank you, Ramakrishnan. I agree with your views. With the investments coming in, this product will help us position better. This prompts me to ask you, nowadays customers are looking for one-stop solutions. What do you think in terms of sales or growth plan with this product?
Yes, you are right, Malthus. We have complete portfolio with respect to the other business segments, particularly the automation segment and the electrical switchgear segment. Now with the light fittings, with this 6057, our basket is really full to a particular customer. And with respect to pharma industry, already we are offering our automation products, switchgear products, and with these lighting features, I see it's a bundle that we are offering to customers, and customers doesn't need to go for or look for other competition in that sense. That's one, and I have shown the samples to few key customers in the pharma industry, and they are all very excited with the samples. So I really believe that it's going to be a game changer for us in the lighting industry, particularly as York mentioned, it's a kind of a EXD predominant driven industry, and with this EXD product, as I explained earlier, with the technological product, superior product, with the competitive price, it's going to be really the game changer in the market.
Thanks, Ramakrishnan. I am very proud of this product with its unique design, advanced features, and benefits it's offering. Looking forward to hear success stories from your respective regions. Thanks a lot for your views and for joining these enlightening discussions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you all for that wonderful, insightful discussion. Now, we would like to have a small poll round. Your answers would be of great input for us in order to understand your needs better. So please take a moment and answer the poll for us. The poll questions will appear right on your screen. If you don't see it, please make sure you exit from the full screen view, and if you're using a mobile phone, please make sure you're scrolling down so that you can see the poll question. Now that you've seen this high-performing LED pendant light, would you like to know more about it from us? Please let us know your views. We now open the floor for a question and answer session. Please type your questions in the chat window, and our experts are right here to clarify all your queries. Go ahead and make use of this opportunity to get all your queries answered right from the product experts themselves. Requesting you to exit the full screen view and type in your questions in the chat window. Okay, so we have a lot of questions. Let me read out the first question. We have a question from our customer. In fact, 3 questions combined. Maybe I think this question would go to Arunachalam. The question is, what is the angle of light?
Suganya, the light angle distribution is 120 degree in our product.
Right. The same customer has asked us another question, which is the LED changeable if required?
Yes, possible. The LED comes with a holder, but we have to make sure whether the issue is with LED or the driver. So the trained person have to first identify the root cause of the issue, and he can support to change the right part in the product. But basically, this is possible to change.
Okay, thank you. Again, another question from the same customer, which is the glass of LED can it be changed if it's broken at site?
I think he's talking about some accidental occasion. The glass comes with the cover together. So as a cover assembly, this is possible to replace it, Suganya. Not the glass alone. There is a small cover which comes along with the glass.
Okay.
So yes, this is like a assembly. We can change it.
Right. Thank you, Arun. Let's move on to the next question. We have another question, which is, if I have to calculate the number of light fixtures needed for my project, what kind of support can I expect from you? I think, Meltis, would you like to take this question, please?
Yes, Suganya. For these light fixtures, we have the IES file, which is very easily downloadable from our website. And also, as we being the partner of Dialects, these files are also available in the Dialects website and also the database. And also, we have our in-house lighting design experts who can also help our customers in this regard. Maybe I will ask our lighting experts, Kim, to add further here.
Okay, thanks, Martis. Yes, we believe the lighting calculation service is a very important value-added service for our customers because it will actually improve we will actually can reduce the operational cost for the using the optimization design. So we have been providing this service to our customers in Asia Pacific regions from our design experts locally in Singapore. We do have also other lighting experts located in India and also in Europe. So this is no problem. We could actually support our customers for the LED optimizations. This is a very important topic for Stahl to differentiate us from just being lighting manufacturers. We don't just only sell lightings.
Thank you, Meltis and Kim. The next question goes, does this light operate with DC voltage? Arun, would you like to answer that question, please?
Yeah, Suganya. Basically, we have two variants. One is the narrow and wide voltage. Under this wide voltage variant, we can operate this DC for the range of 127 to 250 volt. On the AC, we can operate 110 to 277. So yes, the customer can operate in DC. Hope I answered.
Right, thank you. And the next question is, how is this product priced? I think Ramakrishnan, would you like to answer this question, please?
Yes, Suganya. Here, we have, as we explained in the presentations, it's competitively priced to the market. That's the first one thing. Another thing, we have different variants to choose from. For example, wattage. We have different wattage. We have different colors. As Arun explained, we have different voltage requirements. There are some additional applicational requirements also we have designed. So based on this, the price will vary. But be assured that this is competitively priced to the market.
Right. Thank you, Ramakrishnan. The next question goes, what is the color of this product? And if I need any customizations to the color in order to match the other installed equipments in my site, is that possible? Arunachalam, would you like to answer that question, please?
Yes, Vanya. The standard color comes with the RAL 7035. Of course, we can able to match the required color subject to the volumes and also the lead time, So, but we are open to fulfill the customers here, Sonia.
Right, thank you. The next question is, do you provide replacement options for the existing conventional fittings at site? Meltis, would you be able to answer this?
Yes, Suganya. I see another question also on the same mounting options. So I will answer it together here. So we have fixed mounting brackets or the mounting accessories which we have developed currently. In case of any customized mounting requirements, we have always the expertise to develop mounting accessories which suits at the site. So we can provide any kind of mounting options as per the customer requirements. And also in case of replacements for the old conventional to these 6057 or 6 replacements, we can always support our customers with the specific mounting accessories.
Right, thank you, Meltis.
Right. Suganya, sorry to interrupt. Maybe to add, Meltis, different mounting option is possible. Customization also possible, but we also expect certain information from customer. What kind of a wind speed they are expecting, because we also need to comply certain vibration requirements, if at all that is required. So we always used to ask this additional information from customer to fulfill the site requirements.
Okay,
thank you.
The next question goes, being a global player, are the products that are produced in the Indian facility on par with the quality standards that are in Germany? I think, Thomas, would you like to answer this question, please?
So yes, thank you for the question. And the answer is a clear yes, actually. So we are obviously following the processes and the certifications we are doing in our headquarters in Germany. In fact, we have a matrix certification with our headquarters for the ISO 9001 latest version, including the IEC 80079-34, the quality management system for EX manufacturer, and our auditor is DEKRA. So apart from the ISO 9001 certification, we also have environmental management systems according to 14001, as well as OHS 45001. And last not least, we are supplying worldwide to our subsidiaries, including Germany. So I believe we can offer exactly the same quality, the same Stahl quality you will also get, let's say, from Germany.
Thank you, Thomas. Maybe we can hear on this further from Mr. Fitzek, who's online with us, because of course, they are our customer as well. Fitzek, what is your view on this?
As you know, I was a long time in India to set up this plant. We have all the same setup there. So I'm not worried at all. We have the same machines, the same programs. The people are all trained on the global level. Even they have been all to Germany. They have worked together. Nowadays, even in India, we are taking the lead for some projects and some products, especially the EXD variants. Our main knowledge there sits today in India, and we are even assisting the people all over the globe.
Thank you, Mr. Fitzek. And the next...
Ganya?
Yes.
So Ganya, I would like to also emphasize on that particular subject. Obviously being placed centrally sort of in the Middle East, close to India, the factory in India is one of our major supply bases for our region. Most of our companies across the Middle East have approved our Indian factory in most of the countries across the Middle East, and our vendor listing is also on a high level. So again, when we talk about quality coming from India, our customers in the Middle East also accept that.
Thank you, Darren. Maybe now that you've answered, there is a question for you, Darren. What are the certifications that are currently accepted in the Middle East?
And on certifications, mostly IECEX. There are still obviously some NEC available, but when you go into the more flameproof protection for sure has been prominent certification in terms of the Middle East market for many years. But we see EXE much more fluent throughout many countries. Obviously, when you look at the Middle East as a market, it was very American orientated when you go back 50 years plus. But you see now IECEX is much more prominent across the Middle East in general, hence the reason that we have had some good success in the Middle East. We're a growing business in the Middle East, and of course, for most of our products, IECEX is our key protection.
Thank you.
I think we have a question here, like, is there any protection for LED glass cover if it gets hit by any external object? Arun, could you answer here?
It's basically the impact strength of the present glass is already IK20, so IK10, sorry, and this enables very strong protection for the LED. If it is very particular about the specification, we can also add the wire guard, but subject to the request, a special request from the customer.
Mr. Stick, here is a question for you, I think. Like, in which African countries is Stahl represented?
We are represented today in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Tanzania, and we are working to be represented very soon also in Mozambique and Angola, which are our main markets. And the rest we serve directly with our workforce out of South Africa. I also would like to add one point for our South African guests on the panel. Of course, with the IECEX files, we are already working to get also the South African certificate. We will have most likely by the end of this month also the South African certificate.
Thanks, Vichak. We have another question. Maybe I will answer it here. Does the light fixture comes with NPT opening instead of metric? Yes, we have both the option of metric or NPT. So it is the different variants. Depending on the requirements, you can choose whether you want NPT or a metric. So, and
we can add the sizes. In metric, we give M20 on M25. Similarly, the NPT, we have half an inch and also the 3x4.
Yeah, thanks, Arun. We have another question here, like, is there any spare part kit offered with the item? Maybe you could answer here, Arun.
Yes, on the mounting brackets, we have all this version. This is also part of our catalog. And also the question from the customer for the glass replacement, we can also think about it, and we can also add this as a part of the spare part along with the glass. So this is part of our data sheets already.
Okay. So other question we have here, like, is the connection chamber where the driver and the terminals are housed an EXE enclosure or an EXD enclosure? Would you like to answer here again?
Yeah, it's a complete EXD. Yeah. And the driver and terminal housed inside the EXD. But it is easy to access, just a threaded cover, the small cover for 180 mm or so. Easy to handle, and they can able to connect the input field termination inside the housing. And it's completely EXD.
Okay. So we have another question. Sorry. We have another question here, like, what is the color of the light? So I will answer this, like, color temperature for this product as a standard, we are offering 5700 Kelvin. On request, we will be able to provide 5000 Kelvin or 6500 Kelvin. In case of like huge requirements, we could be able to provide with 2700 Kelvin also. So we have the wide range of color temperature options, but the standard is like 5700 Kelvin here. Yeah, we have another question here, like with respect to the life cycle of the products in terms of lumen output. Since this being a technical question, maybe I will ask Arun to answer here as well.
Yeah, what is the exact question, Maltus?
Service life of the product with respect to its lumen output.
So we basically say the L70 and the B50 topic, you mean to say, always the C comes with 10%. The lifetime for the driver and LED also tabulated in the data sheet, Maltus. Based on the ambient, the lifetime also varies. So this exact hours has been populated in the data sheet. So take an example of ambient 50, we can claim 50,000 hours.
Yeah, okay, Arun. I think we have another question here. Maybe I will route this to Ramakrishnan. So it is about the lead time for this lighting. So what is the lead time for this lighting? We have a question from a customer.
Yeah, for the standard variants, like you said, Maltus, the standard 5700, and we have arrived at the standard combination. For the standard combination, it's next stock. We are operating make to stock policy. For the special variants, like the change in color temperature, for example, the color of the product or the white voltage, this will be made against order. I hope this answers the question, Maltus.
Yes, Mr. Ramakrishnan. Suganya, I think we can stop or we can close this question and answers, and maybe you can take over further.
Yes, we still have many more questions from a lot of people, but due to time constraints, we are unable to take any more questions. But rest assured, we have your details, your email address, and your exact question. We will be reaching out to you with more information, and of course, you can get in touch with our sales experts as well. So I think we can officially close with the live question and answer session. And thank you so much for asking so many interesting questions. Before we wrap it up, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all those who have taken the time in making this launch event a huge success. We couldn't have done it without you all. There will be more communication from our Stahl, and we wish you a great rest of the day. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.